Hi everyone, it's Lori from the Nutty Bookmaker, and I have an album to share with you. And this is also the walkthrough for the tutorial for this album. This is made with the Graphic 45, or decorated with Graphic 45's Nutty Bookmaker. It is a mini album. It measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.5 inches wide. It has 10 interactive pages, and the cover is done well, it's layered. I wouldn't call it 3D, but it's got some dimensions anyways. It's layered. And then we have the spine, which is, bows and chipboard tags from the chipboard sheet, and then the back of the cover. And you can stick something in here. There's not a lot of things so you can make your own or whatever and stick it in here if you're giving it for a gift. Okay, so we're going to open it up from this side, and this is the inside cover and our first page. And our inside cover is part of the story from the Nutty Bookmaker, with the sugar plum fairies on the front here. Then you open it up and you have sugar plum fairy here as well. And then somewhere you get lots of room for photos here, and you can tuck things in behind here. I'm just going to go back and get one of these. So you have like somewhere to tuck if you want to put a picture. And this is all layered up, as you can see. It has the layers. Okay, and then I'll tie that later. And then our first page is the same thing. It has layers of little from the cut aparts with a tag on the bottom. Here you can write something on here, name this section. So we're going to open it up, and then you can put your photos inside. Again, we have the sugar plum fairy. Open it up. Lots of room for photos. And we close it up like that. And you can tuck something in behind here as well, if you wanted to. All the way, you can put a big picture in here if you wanted, behind this. And then we have pullouts. And they're all the same. Each one is the same all the way down. So I'm just going to pull them all out. They're all the same. Okay? Oh, maybe you can't see that. I didn't realize I'm that far out. So they're all exactly the same. Okay. On to page 3. And again, we have some layered cut aparts here. You can tuck a photo in behind here. And this is a pocket, and I haven't got anything in there, so I will make something to put in there. I forgot about it. There's actually another pocket in here. I haven't put anything in. Then down here we have a bow. We can open this up and you can put photos in here if you wanted to. Later. Open it up. Big area for photos. Tuck over on the side. You can see that. Yeah. Okay, we're good. That's good. Okay. So you got tuck over here. And then on this side we have Claire, and if you can see, she's got foam behind her skirt, and then this is all sculpted so you can feel the relief through the ruffles of her dress, and the same with her hair and her puffy shoulder. And then the clock, oh, that's not the same. The clock in the front has got the 3D, so you are layered, so it has a face, and the wreath at the bottom stands out. Okay, I'll open this up. And again, you have lots of room for photos. tuck over here. You could put stuff in. There's actually a pocket right there, so you can put more in there. Forgot there was a pocket there. There's another element I wanted to show you from this album. If you look at the bow, like the ribbon that's running down from the top of the curtain. So the curtain is raised at the top and then it's rounded on at the ends. So you can see the slope in the curtain. And then the bow comes down and it ends here. There's no bow. I didn't cut the whole bow out from the original, just pieces of it, the pieces that stand out from the page, but the ones that are in the background are actually part of the original picture, so they're still there, and then these are just on top so that you can see the layers in there. And the same on the other side. It seemed to be instead of trying to cut out all these little curly cues and things like that, it made more sense just to take out the top portions of the ribbon and leave the ones that are in the background as part of the original picture. And then it gives it more better effect that way. The Nuttybookmaker is the same. He's his base is rounded so that you can see the slope in the base. Same with his hat. Or did I do his hat? No, I didn't do his hat here. I did it on the other one. And then our Nutmaker. But I just wanted to go over that. I forgot about it when I was showing you the front cover. Okay, so these are the exact same except for the pictures that are on here. I tried to be as close as I could with what I wanted to do, but have them just a little bit different. I'm going to open it up on both sides, so they're exactly the same on the inside, right down to the little picture in the corners. The same on this side. So, and as you can see, you can tuck photos in here. This is a pocket. And then, but you can add, there's lots of room for pictures in there as well. And then here we have, like I showed you before, you can tuck things in behind here, right? You open this up and you have lots of room for photos. This is a tuck. And this is purely ornamental, and this is what I was referring to with the hat. His hat is rounded, so it has that rounded effect at the top, and the same as the pedestal. And then everything else, it has depressions, like in here, in his lines, in between his legs, and down the sides, so that you can feel, when you feel him, you can, like even his cheeks, the little rounds of his cheeks, they're even perforated so that you can feel those. The same with the arms. Okay, I'm going to close that up. Oh, I missed this page, I think. So you have a tuck in here as well, and one over here for photos. Okay, and then next we have a waterfall here, and it's 4. So you have 2, 3, 4, and then you have this large space down here for a photo, and then all that up for photos as well. And then this we have, open it up, and this is our other pocket I was talking about. I have nothing in there, but you have tucks here as well. And you can tuck where you can. Okay, and areas for photos. So it's lots of room in this album for photos. Okay, so this piece here, now this is the Nutmaker portion of the story. When you open this up, you have the Nutmaker, or Nutmaker, Nutcracker. I'm calling it Nutmaker. Nutcracker. The Nutcracker. And, oh my God. If you could see me now, I'm holding my head and shaking it. Okay. So you have room for photos here. And this is the exact same as the front. So you have, you can see that they are identical. Except for this. It's a little bit different. Okay. All right. So that's our album, or my album, or the album, however you would like to word that. And I'll fix all those after. Okay. I'll close this up. All right. So like I said, there is a tutorial for this. And all tutorials are all video tutorials are up now, and the tutorial is available in my shop. I'll post the link below. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and enjoy your holidays as best you can. It's a really tough time again this year for everyone, and stay safe, everyone. Take care, and Merry Christmas. Bye for now.